welcome to my channel. So today I have pulled out, it is finally time. It is the time of the midnight mead. So it has been aging for, coming on 5 months now. And it's time to crack this thing open. So I have some sweetened midnight mead. And I also have some unsweetened midnight mead. So yeah, let's get into this. Burnt mead is an acquired taste. It is not supposed to be like regular mead. It's supposed to be burnt, less sweet. Back when this was a thing, when burnt mead was an actual thing, mead came in sweet and very sweet. That was it. Burnt mead gets rid of that, and you end up with something not that sweet. So now I've pointed that out, we can get into tasting this. So I suppose I should start with the big bottle. Now, if you watch the tasting video, I also put one in plastic and some in glass, because a lot of people say that glass and plastic, ooh. So this is the unsweetened stuff. It's got a dead little to it, but that's okay, because that is preserving it in its own atmosphere. Look at that nectar. It looks really good. I mean, check that. That does look cool. So, how does it smell? Ooh, okay. So, even though it's supposed to be aged for about a year plus, the flavor, the smell I'm getting off of this is a lot different than it was when it was first bottled. Oh, so it's got caramel. It does have molasses flavors in there. Flavor. I can smell it. Oh, honeycomb. That's the word. So you know that block stuff that you get that's made with honeycomb, that everyone goes, oh, it's made with honey. It's not. It's sugar and bicarb. But anyway, it has a really good smell. It smells really good. I'm getting honey, I'm getting caramel, I don't really smell burnt, but I haven't tasted it yet. And I've got, I'm looking forward to this. Cheers. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so, a normal mead, even when it's dry, it's sweet. This, it has the burnt flavour, but it's not burnt in your mouth. That's not the first, that's the aftertaste. It's very pleasant. I'm having some more. Oh, that is so good. So I've got caramel, I've got honey, I've got something else. And that burnt flavour that you would get, that was there, is still there. I mean, I've still got like a bittering taste, but oh my god, I regret adding sweetener to it. I haven't even tasted it yet, and this is awesome. Whoa. So I've got I've rinsed out my glass to get rid of that, that's really good. Now I've got the sweetened stuff, so let's see what it's like when it's been sweetened. It has an S on it. Thinking. So again, a little bit of gas, but it's supposed to have, it preserves it. This one doesn't have the same smell, but it's still in the bottle, so let's give it a bit of air. Pour the same amount. A bit of swirl. Gives you this lovely looking, looks so good. Okay, this one smells different. Where the unsweetened one had goddamn bit. Well, this one had caramel and honeycomb notes, even though these were kept in the same fridge in the same place, so it's not chilled. Oh, I have served them chilled, by the way. This one doesn't have the same smell to it. I'm not getting the caramel notes. I mean, I'm getting something. It's something like caramel, but not the honeycomb and the, yeah, I'm not. This one smells completely different. It doesn't have complexity to it, which is weird considering I said the word complex in the word alcohol. Cheers. Gotta resample it. Okay, so this one has been sweetened, and well, it's not bad. It's okay. The burnt profile it's more prominent. The sweetness is, yeah, it's more sweet. It doesn't have the same flavors to it. This one, unsweetened, beautiful. Also happens to be in a plastic bottle, by the way. So yeah, you can store stuff in plastic and it doesn't taste bad. This one's the unsweetened stuff, tastes epic. This was in a glass bottle and sweetened, and it's okay. Yeah. Not impressed with that. Not impressed with that at all. Oh, I really hope you enjoyed this video, because I have really enjoyed drinking this, and I'm going to continue to drink this off camera. So, don't forget to comment, rate, like, share. It really helps out the channel, and of course subscribe. Check out the other videos. Carry on homebrewing.